This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. In this video, I'm going to answer a question about an individual YouTube subscriber had a question about having an accident and they did not have insurance or a license at the time, and they were wondering with they got summons to court and they're wondering, do they have a chance to get it dismissed? Well, I'm going to tell you your only chance to get it dismissed is to make a settlement with them before you end up going into court. Let me tell you the major problem that you have, and this is something that we get off and on here in our office locally and from some clients around the country where they were in a car accident and they even had their license. And because they did not have insurance and they had the debt from that accident, insurance companies have uh, lobbied to state representatives to get a law enacted to where they can have your license suspended due to you driving without insurance and or driving without insurance and not paying the expenses on that accident because the other party's insurance company had to pay. So what they'll do is they'll try to come after you to get that money reimbursed. And so the only way that that you're going to be able to not end up going to court and you can get it dismissed is to come up with some type of settlement that they believe is worthwhile to them, uh, and that they believe that you'll either follow through with a lump sum payment or with a payment arrangement. Maybe they might hold off the case, postpone going to court, and let you make payments and see how that goes. But that's going to be your option. I know that there's some situations in certain states that you can get your license back where where you could pay a fee and you're able to get it to where you're at least able to drive to work or under some sort of limitation. But that's what you're going to have to do. Being straightforward and upfront with you, for what had happened for driving without insurance and not a license at that time. Your the consequences of that is you already know that fully. So what I want you to do is I want you to hold your head up high and I want you to just work your way out of that situation. You need to contact them and be solution oriented. Try to figure out what can be done. If you don't have your license back, you need to call your state and see what can be done to get that back going. If you do have your license and you're just dealing with the debt, then you need to, focus on calling the plaintiff attorney, seeing what could be worked out. Maybe they'll hold off on going to court and you can make payments, or if you're able to come to some type of lump sum uh, discounted payment just to so everything could be resolved and that'll allow you to be able to move forward. So if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different. If you can follow the our process, we invite you to become a customer. If you cannot, please choose another company. If you need your credit reports and scores, please visit the website your the number 3scores.com. That'll give you all of the information, all three credit reports from TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, all three scores, all of the comments, everything. It's like the fuel that you'll need for your credit repair process. If you're having problems with debt collectors harassing you, I invite you to grab one of the three letters or all of the letters, the cease and desist collection activities letters. You can potentially stop debt collectors with that letter. The statute of limitations letter, if you know that a debt is past the legal statute of limitations to collect in your state, and the debt validation letter, which will make a debt collector uh, make sure that they have all of the information that they're going to need to come after you for a particular debt. So I'd like to thank you for your time and please continue to watch more videos on my channel and make sure that you subscribe if you haven't subscribed now. Thank you, and until next time.